Lecture 10. Your first HeyGen video. Showcase and share. You have written your script, added visuals, used avatars, and pieced everything together. But now comes the part that many creators overlook. How to showcase and share your video so it actually gets seen and makes an impact. In this lecture, we'll talk about presenting your HeyGen project like a pro. You will learn how to export your video, choose the right platforms, and write descriptions or captions that make people want to click. Whether you're applying for a job, promoting a cause, or building your personal brand, presentation matters. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to finalize and export a polished HeyGen video with the right resolution and format. Choose the best platforms and methods to publish or present your video. Write engaging captions, titles, or emails to share your video effectively. Final checks before exporting. Let's begin with the basics. Before hitting the download button, make sure your video is ready. Checklist. Does the script flow smoothly from intro to outro? Are screen recordings aligned properly with the voiceover or avatar? Is the audio clear? Are subtitles synced and readable? Is the video under 2 minutes? Ideal for most platforms. Once you are satisfied, export it in HD 1080 pixel for a clean, professional look. If you're sharing it via messaging apps or email, you can export a compressed version too. Where to share? Matching video type to platform. Let's go through a few practical examples. Example 1. A job application video. If you have made a video resume or personal intro, don't just paste the link randomly. Upload it to YouTube unlisted or Google Drive, and include the link in your resume or email cover letter with a short note like, I have recorded a 60-second intro to give you a better sense of my skills and personality. Watch here. This approach stands out without being intrusive. Example 2. Product demo for class presentation or pitch. Upload the video to YouTube, public or unlisted, or embed it into your PowerPoint or Google Slides for a seamless presentation. You can also use Loom or Notion pages to create a mini project hub with your video embedded. Example 3. Personal story or event announcements. If you have created something for your YouTube channel, blog or event, write an eye-catching caption to go with the video when posting on Instagram, LinkedIn or WhatsApp. For example, here's a story of how I built my first planner app from scratch using free tools and stayed sane doing it. Always match your tone to your audience. Professional for LinkedIn, casual for Instagram, warm and direct for email. Crafting a share message that works. Whether you're posting or sending directly, a short intro message adds context and encourages views. Example for email. Subject, short intro video, and then your name. Body, and hi, the receiver name. Here's a quick 60-second video I created to highlight my experience and project skills. I hope it gives you a clear picture of what I bring to the table. Let me know what you think. And then best regards, your name. Example for LinkedIn caption. I created my first AI-powered video using HeyGen. In just a few minutes, I turned a script and screen recording into a full walkthrough. Check it out below. Even 1 or 2 lines of personal framing can increase your chances of the video being watched and appreciated. Bonus. Collect feedback and improve. Don't be afraid to ask for feedback. When you share your video, add, I would love your honest feedback on what worked. What could be better? This mindset helps you grow, especially if you plan to use HeyGen more often. Creating a video is only half the journey. Sharing it well is what brings your message to life. The way you introduce, frame, and distribute your HeyGen project can turn a good video into a memorable one. Start small, share confidently, and let your work speak for itself.